like us, subscribe, you know, help us grow our channel and get to see more of what we could do, because we've been doing it. We've been like years, like just a couple of years into this, and we've been like killing it. So we made all kinds of videos, and we're gonna keep making more.
Yes, we are.
Tell them, man. Tell them.
You know,
Tell them
start somewhere. You just gotta do it. More and more and more.
Yeah, like, dude, nothing's gonna stop us. You know, we're gonna keep growing this channel. And you know what?
Because Moon Masters is all about having fun. That's the most important thing. Have fun.
We are having fun when we're doing all this.
Yeah, be outdoors. You know, it's like anybody can like dream about doing this every day. You know, just being outside, just creating your own shit. You know,
I mean, most people buy a drone. They don't even do shit with their drone. They're just sitting at home, letting it collect dust. And next thing you know it, there's a new drone out that's better than that drone. That costs way more. And you still haven't used your drone. Then you go out and you buy the next drone, you don't even use it. And look at us. We're doing it right now. We're taking us to the skies. We're getting footage and we're killing it. So just remember that if you want to get something done, you got to go out and do it.
go for it.
You got to go for it. If not, you ain't gonna be nothing. You can't be nobody. Well, pretty much, if you're not doing it, you're a nobody. So you gotta get out and do it. And that's what we're doing right now. We don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck if we get followers. We don't give a fuck about money. We're going out, we're doing it. You know what? Every time we do these drone missions, we feel good. You know, we get better.
You know, with these gas prices being what they are, you know, it ain't stopping me. I'm still driving, wasting gas.
Yeah, man, look at Nat. Man, he's gonna keep driving his damn car. He don't give a fuck if gas is $10. We're gonna keep driving, and you know what? We're gonna keep getting shit with our drones, and we're gonna keep buying drones and camera equipment and doing this shit because it's fun. You know, and that's all about what life really is. Sounds good. Sounds like a plan.
Dude, if you can find the wall place right here.
Flying FPV is pretty intense. I think it's good to get out and walk after flying, just to take a break, because man, you really feel like you're in the experience, like you're a bird just flying. And then like this mission that I was flying, so a bunch of seagulls coming at me, man, it felt like Star Wars. That shit was crazy. They got a net right here. So what you about to do?
Trying to get like a little aerial view of this area.
He's trying to capture the sunset before the sun comes down. That's what he's trying to do. reason why we couldn't bring Luna today. No dogs allowed. Sorry, Luna. Couldn't bring you. So we're at the spot right now, and we got Nat about to take off with the Mavic Mini 2. Check this thing out.